Hello everyone, this is Hobby Crochet, and today I want to share with you the pattern for shawl or for scarf. This will go in triangle. You start with the widest part and go reducing the number of the fans right to the top. I will be using hook number 3.5 millimeters, and the yarn is bonus DK 100 grams, 306 yards or 280 meters, but any yarn will work. So the pattern is multiples by 10 plus 2. I've got 32, chain 32 here, and I will start single crochet into the next stitch, chain 1, and then it will be treble crochet, US term, or UK it will be double treble. Skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the fifth chain. I will try to pick two of those loops of two of those strings and do it 1, 2, 3. Chain 2, treble crochet or double treble for UK term, chain 2 and double treble or treble, and I will need to make the fan of 5 double treble crochet with chain 2 in between. 3, and like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and chain 2 and 1 more. Chain 1, skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet, chain 1, and treble crochet or double treble crochet for UK term, 1, 2, 3, 4, skip 4 into the fifth chain, chain 2, double treble crochet or treble crochet, chain 2, and again double treble or treble, chain 2, and I need to make 5 of double treble crochet or treble crochet for US term with chain 2 in between. Chain 1, skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 into the fifth stitch, chain 1, double treble crochet, skip 4, one, chain 2, first row is always the trickiest, but it is very easy pattern and it grows very quickly because it has so many yarns over. I like the pattern that grows quickly. I think lots of us do. One, 2, 3, 4, and I need to make one more. Chain 1 and single crochet, skip 4, right into the last stitch. Then to go for the next row, you need to move your crochet into this point, and it is the choice. You can make it like this with little chain and it will give you this nice edge, or you can just make a simple crochet. I prefer to go this way, like with the chain, and give it a little bit of frills. So once you go up, then you will go around on the next part and you can put all these frills around your shawl. Let me show you. So I will make single crochet, chain 3, single crochet into the same space, single crochet into the next gap, chain 3, single crochet, and again single crochet. So I will work single crochet and chain 3. Single crochet right on top of the third double treble crochet, and next row will be chain 3 and double crochet US term or treble crochet for UK term into this gap, chain 3, then again double crochet US term or double treble crochet UK term into the next gap, chain 3, single crochet into the third treble crochet, chain 3, and double crochet into this gap, chain 3. I will work with US term, sorry UK subscribers, but it is easier. Chain 3 and single crochet into the third, 1, 2, 3, into the third, double treble or treble. That's it. Row 2 is finished. Row 3, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, and then I will do exactly the same as row 1, but I will work into this gap and this gap. So this time this row will be 1 fan less, 2 fans. So treble crochet, 1, chain 2, treble crochet, chain 2, treble crochet, chain 2, treble crochet. It will be again 5 treble crochet in this gap, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2 and 5th treble crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1 and 5 treble crochet into this gap, one, two, three, chain 2, 4, chain 2 and 5, chain 1 and single crochet right onto the third treble crochet. Then I need to turn my work and move to this point. So again, it is your choice, but I will go with those frills. So chain of 3, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, chain of 3, single crochet. Sometimes I want to make single crochet right on top of treble crochet, sometimes I don't. It doesn't really matter. You can alter it. Single crochet on top of third treble crochet, and next row chain 3, double crochet or treble crochet for US into this gap, chain 3, double crochet or treble crochet to this gap, chain 3, single crochet on top of third double treble crochet, chain 1, turn your work around, single crochet on top of single crochet, chain 1 and 5 treble crochet into this gap. So I started with the widest part and I finished it with one fan on top. Chain 2 between treble crochet, and it should be 5 in total. And then we will go around the shawl creating the same frills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then chain 1, single crochet on top of the third treble crochet. I will turn my work and go with frills all around. So chain 3, single crochet on top of treble crochet, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet into the same gap, then single crochet next gap, chain 3, single crochet the same gap, single crochet on top of treble crochet. So I will go around. If you don't like those frills, you can make different border or go with crab stitch. But I think it looks lovely. Basically this is it, and around the widest part over here I did just single crochet, but you can do exactly the same, going with frills around this part. Hope you like my tutorials. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy your crochet. Bye.